Y'all know what to do. Smash the like button. Let's get this video to 40 likes. Can we do it? Yes, we can. So smash the like button. I'd really appreciate it. And subscribe if you are new to the channel. And turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time of a new video. Other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. Alrighty everybody, that wraps up the video. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this to 40 likes? Yes we can, so smash the like button. I'd really appreciate it, and it really helps out the YouTube algorithm, so smash the like button. I'd really appreciate it, and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and share this video with your friends, and tell them to subscribe. It helps out the channel massively, and comment which auto genre. Don't forget to comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Denji from Chainsaw Man. Hope you all enjoyed as much as I did. I had a lot of fun making this drawing, and I really love the outcome of the drawing, how detailed it came out. I think it's one of my most detailed works that I've done on this channel, so hope you all enjoyed as much as I did. And if you want to see more Chainsaw Man drawings, let me know by smashing the like button. I'm going to be linking this to my drawing playlist in the description, which I highly recommend that you check out because I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn before that you really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description. And I also have a drawing playlist there for Chainsaw Man, so check it out. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe. Until next time, everybody, peace.